Your body is healing right now. But here's the scary part. Some parts recover in days, others take years. And one of them might never fully recover if you ignore it. Most people think the body heals at the same speed. That's completely wrong. Your organs follow a hidden timeline, and it explains your energy, focus, and even aging. Your skin completely renews every 28 days. That's why small habits show fast results. Break a bone, it takes 6 to 8 weeks to rebuild stronger. These take weeks, around 6 to 12. Silent workers, until something goes wrong. But your liver, it regenerates in about 100 days. One of the only organs that can literally regrow itself. Also around 100 days, but only if you stop damaging them. Thyroid, 3 to 6 months, slow but critical for your metabolism. Your muscles are either growing stronger right now or slowly shrinking. It all depends on how you treat them every single day. But here's where it gets serious. Your heart can take years to recover. And sometimes it never fully does. Your brain doesn't heal like the rest of your body. It plays by different rules. Weeks, months, sometimes even years just to recover what was lost. But here's the part no one tells you. Some damage doesn't heal at all, it just goes silent. Your body is constantly rebuilding itself. But it only works if you give it time and stop damaging it. So the real question is, are you helping your body heal or slowing it down? My sweetheart, follow for more science-backed truths your body isn't telling you.